guys, it's great to be back with some more yoga tips. And today we've got something that's quick and easy yet super effective. For days on which you're pressed for time or just otherwise tied up, here are simple yoga poses and they're all you need to do. These poses are going to give you just the right amount of juice to keep you going on those busy, tiresome days. So, what are you waiting for? Wherever you are, roll out that mat and let's get started. Repeat this 3 to 4 times or more if you're able to do so. This pose is absolutely excellent if you're working from a desk all day. Start by getting on hands and knees. Set your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips at a 90-degree angle. With your inhale, open the chest, arch the back and stick the seat all the way up, lifting your gaze all the way up and coming into cow pose. As you exhale, place the hands down into the floor, round through the spine and gaze to your navel, forming the cat pose. This pose is excellent for the spine, takes oxygen to the body effortlessly and is very useful for people with respiratory disorders or low stamina. Start with the knees wide and sitting bones on your heels. Then extend the arms all the way forward with your fingers spread wide. Gently then push into the hands and push yourself all the way up, lifting the seat as much as you can. Allow the spine to slide through. Start with the knees bent and then slowly start to straighten the legs and try and bring your heels to the floor. Start first with 5 breaths and then rest. Slowly work your way up to 10 to 15 breaths or more as and when you feel ready. This pose stretches the side of the body. It opens the side hip and the chest. It also strengthens the core muscles. Stand with your feet wide, spin the right foot out to a 90-degree angle, then bring the left foot at a diagonal. Inhale and lift your hands and reach with your right hand towards the right foot and then gently drop the right hand down. Place it on the shin to start with, slowly lowering it down to the floor. Open the chest and reach the left arm all the way up. If you like, you could place a book on the outside of your foot, which will give you a little more height. Then, inhale and lift yourself all the way up and out of the pose. When you're ready, move to the other side. This pose stretches your thighs, groins and glute muscles. It's also great because it calms the nervous system. Lie down on your back with your feet stretched out in front of you and palms turned up towards the ceiling. Then slowly bend the knees and let them drop to either side, bringing the heels together. Stay in this posture for about 30 seconds to a minute. Gently bring the palms to rest on your belly and breathe. Using this workout, you're exactly 7 minutes away from feeling refreshed, relaxed and rejuvenated. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous. The belly region is always harder to tone up, and often doing core work without awareness can put a lot of unnecessary pressure on our backs, leaving us in a lot of pain. So today it's all about yoga poses that build a strong core. I know all those crunches can really help to build a strong upper core, but the stubborn belly fat is all below the navel, so we've got to get deep into the muscles of the lower abdomen. The first one is crescent moon pose or high lunge. Start by standing with your feet wide and turn your right foot out at a 90-degree angle. Then spin off the left heel and straighten the left leg as much as you can. Exhale and bend the right knee. Bring the knee directly over the ankle. Inhale and lift the arms up all the way over your head. Then repeat on the other side. This may look simple, but if you stay in this position for 10 to 15 breaths, you'll start to feel your core working. Keep reaching up and breathing deeply. This pose also strengthens the legs and works on your balance. Begin by getting on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Then hold behind the knees and lift the legs up so that they are parallel to the floor. Keep lifting your chest towards the knees. Then exhaling, slowly lower the legs, pointing the toes but keeping them off the earth. Inhale and bring the legs up. Repeat 5 times. If you want to make this more challenging, Reach your arms up, keeping the legs parallel to the floor, and take at least 5 breaths. Keep the knees bent and breathe. Plank is the most effective pose to reduce belly fat. Not only does it strengthen your core, but it also strengthens the arms, shoulders, back, legs and thighs. Begin on your hands and knees with your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees slightly further back past the hips. Then exhale, tuck your toes and move into plank position. Inhale and look forward past your hands and zip up the lower belly muscles. Press into your hands and widen your collarbones. Hold this position for 2 to 5 breaths. Then drop the knees down, exhaling and relax. If you suffer from neck injuries or cervical issues, avoid lifting the head off the earth. The leg lifts are already doing a lot for your lower core. Remember, when you're doing all core work, it's important to breathe deeply and take breaks. Begin by lying down on your back. Inhale and extend both legs up. Make sure the spine is flat on the earth and the toes are pulled in towards you. Then exhale and lower the right leg to a few inches off the earth, pointing the toe forward, and keep the left leg active and strong. Inhale and relax the head and lift the right leg back up. Then exhale and lower the left leg down a few inches off the earth. Inhale and lift your head off the earth. Then exhale, relax the head and bring the left leg back up. Repeat these 5 to 7 times on each leg. And then relax. After all that core work, this final pose is the perfect rejuvenating pose to stretch out your spine. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat to the earth. Make sure your feet are directly under your knees and arms stretched out with your palms flat to the floor. Take one whole breath before you begin to relax the belly and lower back. Inhale into your belly, letting it fill up with breath. And exhale, drawing your navel back down to the spine, releasing all the air out. Next, inhale and lift your bottoms off the floor and interlace your fingers, making a fist beneath you. Take 5 to 7 breaths in the pose and then gently lower down. Repeat this 2 to 3 times if comfortable, or start with just one set and slowly build up. Extend the legs out and come into Shavasana. Rest there for about 5 minutes with your eyes closed. If you need to amp up the relaxation, feel free to play some soothing music and light a candle. This will help you relax deeper. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous. Whether you're a mom with young kids or a working woman, we all encounter stress in our day-to-day lives. Even as a yogi, I find that city life majorly stresses me out from time to time. Luckily for me, my yoga practice always comes to the rescue. And now it can for you too. So let's get started. This is my favorite go-to stress buster and I teach it in almost all my classes. Come into a comfortable cross-legged position and take a few natural breaths. Breathing into the belly from the nose and exhaling and drawing the belly back to the spine. Then make a peace sign with your right hand and fold the first 2 fingers into the palm. Place your thumb on your right nostril and ring finger on the left nostril. Lift your ring finger off the left nostril and inhale. Then place the ring finger back down and exhale out through the right nostril. Inhale again and then exhale out through the left. This completes one cycle. Repeat this 4 to 7 times. For this next one, come into a child's pose. Keep your knees wide, drop your torso between your legs and extend the arms outwards, spreading your fingers wide. Take 2 to 5 breaths here. Then lift off into a tabletop position, bringing your knees closer in, directly under the hips and wrists below your shoulders. Inhale and on the exhalation, walk your left hand forward and to the center. After this, thread your right arm underneath the left, lifting the hips and twisting at the spine. To deepen this pose, you can walk the hand further in and come onto your fingertips, bending at the elbow and making a 90-degree angle. Take 5 to 7 breaths in this pose. Make sure you don't put too much weight on the head And please adjust your position so you don't strain your neck or shoulder. To come out, press into your left hand and slide the right arm from underneath and return to tabletop position. Then repeat on the other side. Come back to sit on your heels. Lift the spine tall and press your hands into a namaste. Plug your thumbs right into your sternum and right into your heartbeat and close your eyes. Focus on your breath and on your heartbeat. Finally, take a big inhale through your nose and a long exhale out through your mouth while gently dropping the palms down and opening the eyes. This pose stretches your shoulders, chest, neck, back and helps release tension normally held between the shoulder blades and in the upper back. All it really takes is a few minutes a day to center yourself and beat stress at its own game. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.